Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
Hey!
Today we're going to be doing something that we haven't done before on this channel, that we don't know how it's going to end. It's a very big challenge, it is a risk, and we're not sure if there will be a reward. And we will be pulling an all-nighter! Woo! So just come along with us in this journey. Okay, let's go. Okay, everyone. The first thing we were doing baking, so we're trying to decide what to bake.
Yes, we are going to.
But we have no ingredients. So.
Cake of some kind?
I don't know if we have the right stuff. I mean, the cake would just not have icing on it. That's fine, right?
Yeah!
I don't know if it's that type of cake.
Look, do you like my quarter zip?
Yeah, I do.
Anyways, we'll be back when we figure out what to bake. Bye!
So we've decided to make churros, and they're gonna be really great, except they're not gonna look like your traditional churros because we don't have a piping tip, so.
Correct. We're also making these churros dairy-free, which, wait, what goes on the outside of them? Cinnamon? Do we?
Brown cinnamon sugar. We have cinnamon!
Should we take this down?
Yeah, we should. It's not Halloween anymore.
Preheated the oven to 400 degrees.
Wait, only that much sugar?
That's what's confusing.
Oh my god, is this gonna be good?
I don't know. I think because we coat them in sugar.
Oh, true.
That
It's like a
saves
bread.
it.
Oh, never mind. It's like a bread.
Yeah, it's like a bread. It's like a bread, yeah. But it's weird because we're baking them and not frying them. But that don't mean they'll be good for us.
Wait, we're baking them?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, set aside. Set this
This?
aside. Yeah. Place your water, milk, butter, and vanilla in a small saucepan and bring to a boil.
Hello? So, oh wait, look up substitutes for vanilla.
Can you do it? My hands are dirty.
Instant coffee or espresso powder.
I'm worried it would taste coffee flavored.
Yeah, we don't have instant coffee anyways. Bourbon, brandy, or rum.
Okay, well, we just
Other spices. Citrus zest.
Let's just keep going.
All right, great.
There's no time to stop. Water. We need a half a cup of water and a fourth a cup of milk. And then we need butter. 5 tablespoons of butter.
Okay. Okay.
Great, I did the butter. So now she's ready to be boiled.
Should we stir her?
I think so. Okay, place your water, milk, butter, and vanilla in a small saucepan and bring to a boil. Grab a wooden spoon in the meantime.
I have it.
Great.
I'm using it right now.
Once boiling, add your flour mixture and stir with the spoon until mixture comes together in a ball. This should only take 10 seconds or so. Do not overmix.
Wait, she's smoking too.
Oh my god, okay, turn her off the heat. Wait,
Turn her off?
I don't know.
Ah!
Once boiling, add your flour mixture and stir with a spoon until the mixture comes together in a ball. Okay, so take it off the boil.
Take it off the boil? Off
Yeah.
completely?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And now we add this.
Okay. And mix for 10 seconds.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's supposed to make one ball?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I feel like we have to keep mixing.
I think we do. There, look at that.
There. That's coming together as a ball.
I wouldn't describe it as a ball. I think they misstepped by calling it a ball. And this looks like it's like mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Great. So now we're gonna make the cinnamon, sugar, and the chocolate. Boom. Yummy. It's really good.
It smells good.
Oh, wow, yeah. As soon as you said that, I smelled it.
I know. It hit you on the nose.
Yeah.
What should we do next in our all-nighter? Comment down below.
Wow, that's the way to do it, is away from yourself.
Yeah.
Corner chicken. Go off. Dang. Have you made churros before?
No, I went to baking camp.
Tip.
So should I put one right here? Like a
I think
skinny
so.
little- It's gonna be really tiny.
Yeah, little baby.
There she is.
Perfect.
don't know.
How long did it say to put them in there for?
15 minutes.
Look, they're done.
Yeah. There they are.
So, what we actually made are churros' long lost cousin. But hopefully they'll be good.
Okay, here we go.
Dippy Dipper.
Oh, I feel the sugar. Oh.
Oh, she just broke for me.
Cheers. Not bad.
It's not bad.
It's good.
Yeah, we didn't have vanilla really.
I got way too much chocolate in that bite and not enough of anything else, so.
It tastes a little uncooked.
Yeah.
And it just tastes a little bland. Will I keep eating them though? Yes.
They're good.
Mm-hmm. Hey everyone, now we're gonna watch a movie. So we're picking one right now and we'll let you know what we decide. This movie is really intense. This is called The Dallas Buyers Club. It's one of those movies where it's a good movie. I want to keep watching it. It's just...
But you know from the first 10 seconds, it's
Oh,
a heavy,
man.
dark movie for the entire movie.
It's so heavy, bro. And there's 1 hour left. So that's really great. So, but we're staying up all night, so...
Woo!
And we had cantaloupe.
Yeah,
Anything else to report?
that's it.
So...
We just finished the movie. It is 1:30 a.m. And now we're watching YouTube, so...
So riveting.
The twins pulling all-nighter gone wrong.
So we're tired and want to go to
This
bed.
is a fail.
So this is a fail. We will now brand this as a baking video.
Because all we did was bake churros that weren't even real.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we're sorry that we failed.
See you later.